Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to apply as a Lazada delivery rider. So, let's get started. First, download and open the Lazada Logistics app. Once inside, select your country, then tap on Apply here at the bottom. Start by filling out the application form. Enter your personal details, including your contact information, driver's license number, and set a password. Next, upload the required documents such as a valid ID, vehicle registration, and insurance, if applicable. Make sure all documents are clear and up to date before submitting. Once your application is submitted, wait for Lazada's approval. If approved, you'll receive further instructions regarding training and onboarding. After completing the process, you can start delivering and earning with Lazada Logistics. And that's it. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.